today let's start with chapter number 16, our solar system. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the solar system. So our planet Earth, it is surrounded by a blanket of air called atmosphere. Okay, there is a vast space beyond the atmosphere which is known as the universe. So there are many heavenly bodies जो आपके universe में present है, like we have stars, planets, satellites, asteroids and meteoroids. Then we have the solar system. The heavenly bodies जो revolve with around the sun. They are called planets, right? So the 8 planets revolving around the sun, which forms the solar system. Sun is at the center and the 8 planets and their moons around with the comet. So we can say that जो massive size है sun का compared to the rest of its family gives gravitational pull, which keeps all the objects in their own place. So name of the 8 planets according to their increasing order for their distance from the sun. Right? Like we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, Uranus, right? So a very educated mother just served our noodles. So first 4 planet जो आपके Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars है inner planet होते हैं और जो आपके other 4 planet है Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, they are outer planet, right? Here the facts are written about them. If we talk about smallest planet and nearest to the sun, that is Mercury, it has no satellite. Then we have Venus, it is brightest and hottest also and it is known as morning or evening star. Then Earth, एक satellite है, only planet जहाँ पे life possible है. Mars 2, red planet है, यहाँ पे आपको red soil मिलता है. Jupiter, we have 63 satellites, सबसे largest है, maximum number of satellite. Saturn आपके 62 second है, यहाँ पे आपको ये ice और wings का बना है. Uranus third planet है जो आपको blue और green in color दिखता है. Neptune furthest और सबसे ठंडा होता है. ठीक है, and it has 14 satellites. Now stars. There are countless stars in the sky which can be seen on clear night. They look small because they are millions of miles. भाई वो हमें छोटे इसलिए दिखते हैं क्योंकि वो हमसे बहुत दूर होते हैं, right? So that's why the stars looks very small to us. ये एक huge ball of burning gases होते हैं which emit heat and light. A group of stars from some imaginary planet of sky. इसको हम constellation कहते हैं. ठीक है, different patterns form करते हैं like Bear, Orion and Saptarishi. The brightest stars in the night sky is Sirius और जो North Star और Pole Star है वो help करता है sailor और people को so that they can identify direction. So next is satellite. What are satellite? They are heavenly body which revolve around the planet. Moon आपकी largest satellite है Earth की और ये nearest neighbor है इसका and we see the same side of the moon every day because one side of the moon जो होती है वो हमेशा किधर की तरफ टर्न करती है आपके अर्थ की तरफ. Moon does not have its own light. It shines by the reflection of light. Moon looks as if changing its shape. So what we call it phases of moon. Like we have new moon, crescent moon, half moon, gibbous moon and full moon. So Earth, it is a unique planet because only it can support life in its only planet where air, water exists. 3/4 part of the Earth is made up of water. और 1/4 क्या है आपका land. So we have crust, mantle, core. These are the 3 layers. जो crust है वो आपकी outer solid surface है जहाँ पे आपकी different landforms और water bodies देखने मिलते हैं. This is crust, mantle और core. Core दो होती है outer और inner core. ठीक है, mantle जहाँ पे crust आपकी thick layer बनाता है molten rocks की. Then core, it is the hottest और innermost part of the earth made up of molten lava which comes out of volcano is actually the molten rock जो आपके layer below the crust present होता है. Then we have movement. Earth do 2 types of movement, rotation and revolution. So rotation is the spinning of the earth on its axis. It takes 24 hours to complete and what its cause is day and night. जो part of the earth जो face करता है sun को वो light लेता है and has a day. जो outer part होता है which is away from the sun does not get light. वो dark रहता है और यहाँ पे night होती है and after 12 hours then we have revolution. Movement of the earth around the sun in its orbit. And how many times it takes? 361 by 4 days or 1 year to complete one revolution. Earth causes season and the tilt of the earth causes sun rays to fall directly on northern hemisphere or southern hemisphere. Right? So this is all about in this chapter. Now let's move to exercise. अब हम इसकी exercise करेंगे. Now first is, it is the hottest planet, आपका Venus. It is a natural satellite of the Earth. Moon. Orbits are dash in shapes. जो orbits होते हैं वो कैसे होते हैं? Elliptical shape. Each revolution of the Earth takes 365 1/4 days. A dash is a heavenly body which revolve around the planet. क्या revolve करती है around the planet? That is your satellite. Now mark the following. आपको बताना है. ये आपके axis हो गए, right? ये आपका North Pole. This is South Pole, right? This is your equator. ये आपका क्या है? Northern hemisphere. And down one is Southern hemisphere. Now let's move to fill in the blanks. Moon is a dash satellite of the Earth. Moon क्या है? Natural satellite. There are dash satellite of the Jupiter. कितनी है Jupiter की satellite? That is 92. Dash is the hot planet Venus. Star is a huge ball of. Star क्या है? Huge ball of gases. और sun क्या होता है? Huge ball of fire. अर्थ परफॉर्म डैश मूवमेंट. अर्थ क्या परफॉर्म करता है? दो तरीके की मूवमेंट करता है, रोटेशन एंड रेवोल्यूशन, राइट. नाउ राइट T for true and F for false statement. To the earth, it's true. Mercury is the smallest planet, it's true. Planets revolve around the earth, false, around the sun. Jupiter is the largest planet, it's true. Planets revolve around the sun, it's true. इवनिंग स्टार किसे कहते हैं? वीनस को. द प्लैनेट विद लाइफ, अर्थ. ब्राइटेस्ट स्टार, दैट इज सिरस. नेक्स्ट इज अ कॉन्स्टेलेशन ओरियन. नाउ आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन स्टार एंड प्लैनेट. आपको डिफरेंस देना है स्टार और प्लैनेट का. विच आर द थ्री डिफरेंट लेयर ऑफ अर्थ? क्रस्ट, मेंटल, कोर. कोर दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड है, इनर और आउटर कोर. हाउ आर रोटेशन एंड रेवोल्यूशन? मैंने आपको बताया रेवोल्यूशन 24 आवर्स लेता है और रेवोल्यूशन 364 एंड हाफ 4 लेता है. एंड यहाँ पे क्या होता है? डे और नाइट में चेंज होता है. रेवोल्यूशन में सीजनल चेंजेस होते हैं. Describe the imaginary line and how many planets are there? 8, and you can name them. Right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Let's meet in next class. That's all for today. Thank you.